Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to change your door handle from here to here. Okay, so first we're going to double click to your wall. Okay, take the outer frame and position it to your wall. So here I'm going to use 3 sections. I'm going to make 3 sections and I'm going to make 2 doors like this one. Okay, and then I want to change my door handle from here to here. Okay, how do we make it? Double click to your center and then you click to your outer layer. You will see there's handle lock where you can change your position. So currently my position of my handle is on my left. So now I want to change to right. Okay, so it will automatically fit to the right way. Alright, so that's all for you on how to change your handle lock to the other side. Alright, thank you.